In the heart of Indiana, Fusion Design stands as an emblem of manufacturing excellence. Since 1995, Fusion Designs has been more than just a brand. It's a reflection of unparalleled American craftsmanship, dedication, and innovation. From the raw essence of oak to the elegant allure of cherry, every piece exudes quality, brought to life in 35 exquisite finishes. Our heritage, deeply anchored in Amish craftsmanship, is infused into every creation. Generations of skill and passion are imprinted on each piece.
Fusion Designs is all about quality. That's part of our mission statement is the quality, craftsmanship, and innovation. We will never stop innovating. That's something that we've held close to our hearts, that we continue to always push the boundaries.
In our 80,000 square foot facility, the synergy of tradition and artistry comes alive. At Fusion Designs, our craftspeople employ age-old techniques to create exceptional pieces. While tradition remains our cornerstone, innovation is our compass. Fusion Designs marries traditional practices with state-of-the-art CNC and CAD technology. This harmony between past and present ensures precision, modernity, and efficiency. The heartbeat of our efficiency lies in cellular manufacturing, where heritage converges with method, ensuring each piece is crafted both swiftly and immaculately. Our methodology groups akin products within specific cells. This not only optimizes our procedures, but guarantees every piece of furniture receives the attention it truly deserves. Our talented craftspeople are cross-trained, bringing adaptability to each cell. They switch roles, operate diverse machinery, ensuring that every process within the cell is seamless and efficient. Rather than batching, we deploy the one-piece flow method. Every piece of furniture journeys through its dedicated cell, upholding consistent quality and allowing us to agilely cater to specific customer needs. Cellular manufacturing ensures that every tick of the clock and every movement is purposeful and has paved the way for our Essentials program, which harnesses our unique manufacturing method to deliver impeccably crafted quality furniture in just 10 business days. Rapid fulfillment through our Essentials program has positioned Fusion Designs as the trusted partner for over 100 top furniture retailers, ranging from renowned names to independent dealers nationwide. At Fusion Designs, our quest for perfection is unending. Through constant adaptation and insights from our partners, we're dedicated to enhancing the quality of our products and the experiences we share. Fusion Designs, where tradition meets innovation and quality tells our story.